Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel from Rome, Italy. We actually can't believe we're here. We're so excited. It's so beautiful. We are actually going to 3 different countries. So we're going to Paris, Santorini as well. So I will be making 3 different vlogs, not just one. I hope you guys like today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. We're going to breakfast now, and then we have an appointment to tour the Coliseum. Then we're going to this like famous fountain, taking pictures and just chilling the rest of the day. After breakfast, our first stop was obviously the Coliseum. We have been wanting to see it like crazy. We have been waiting for this day. So we're here, we're just walking around the outside of the Coliseum. We're not going inside yet. It's not our appointment. So we're just looking at it from the outside in. My husband actually had chills all over. It is so much more grand and beautiful in real life. And before we go in though, we are going to eat at this restaurant right in front of the Coliseum. It is called Aroma, and it's kind of famous for its views. Obviously it has the most beautiful view of the Coliseum, but you guys, to be honest with you, the food was not my favorite. Actually, I had a risotto with oysters and my husband had a pasta, and then we asked our server what he recommended. He recommended the lamb, and you guys, this was the worst lamb I've ever had in my life. Actually, the entire meal was like the worst meal I feel like I've ever had. Even this pastry was not good at all. It was very dry, and I'm just letting you guys know it was over $400 just for the 2 of us, and I don't even drink, so it was very expensive, and in my opinion the food wasn't worth it. We made it to the Coliseum. Look how gorgeous this place is. For the tour, we're going to just have some coffees here at this little spot right in front of the Coliseum. This one is called La Biga. Yudeli, I wanted to show you guys, we were able to meet Carlos' cousin. She lives in Switzerland, and she also has a YouTube channel, so you can follow her. She's not going to Paris though, but we're gonna get to spend some time with her here. Hi! Hi!
There's something going strong, stronger. 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 There's something going strong and stronger. There's something going
There is so much history here in Rome. Now we are in the Pantheon, and this is a monument that is intact for 2000 years. Can you believe that? It is crazy and it is beautiful. I can't believe we are standing right here and looking at it in real life. It's even more beautiful than we imagined. So we did a lot of walking, but we also took a tour bus, and I totally recommend it because it was super cool to hear about the history of Rome and the history of all the cool buildings and everything. Now we're in the Trevi Fountain, which is the most famous fountain in the world, and it was so beautiful. It is tradition to throw a coin in the fountain, and basically you're supposed to close your eyes and throw it on your left shoulder using your right hand. According to the legend, the person that throws one coin will one day return to Rome. A person that throws 2 coins in the fountain will find their love in Rome. So it is just so cool to hear about all the stories, and there's just all the history. That's what we're here for.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say.
Now I'm gonna give you guys a quick little hotel and room tour. We stayed at this beautiful, cozy, small hotel here within walking distance of the Coliseum. It's called Maria something. I can't pronounce the rest of the name, but it is very cozy and cute and modern at the same time. Like I said, it's only 10 to 15 minutes of walking distance from the Coliseum, so that's the best part about it. It's in the middle of everything, like all the attractions and like the food and all the restaurants, so you're basically walking everywhere. You don't have to really take a taxi to go see a lot of the things. We're walking up to the room. We stayed in room 203, and the room is like, you know, just a small size, regular. We have on the left side a little closet system, and you also get a TV and a little refrigerator. The bathroom was a little small, the shower part, and we also had 2 toilets, which is kind of funny because in America we don't really have that. So one is supposed to be like a washing toilet. Carlos is living his best life, drinking his Italian beer. That's all he wants to drink here in Italy. And stay tuned because we're heading over to the Vatican City today. We're so excited to see it in person, and we're also going to the Spanish Steps. We're also doing some Dolce & Gabbana shopping, so a lot more fun things are coming. And you guys, how gorgeous are these little restaurants off the street here in Italy? They're so cozy and unique and different. You can see all these things hanging from the ceiling, and I'm just like so obsessed with it. This was the best pizza I had all trip long.
Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. Yeah, we come alive. Oh, oh.
Hey guys, so today is actually our last day in Italy. We don't have anything planned, so we're just gonna go shopping and we're gonna go eat. I feel like all we do is eat when we're on vacation. That's like, I mean, that's like the most fun thing to do, is just eating all the different foods. But I'm gonna try to take you guys around. We actually stayed here for like 3 days. I only vlogged like 2 days out of the 3 days, but we're just having a lot of fun and taking it all in.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud.
We just picked up all the luggage and we are getting ready to do our checkout. I love being able to come to places like this so that way I can experience them and not just like hear what other people say about like different countries and things like that. I like to be able to experience them for myself, and this has been an experience. My final thoughts on Rome, Italy. It is beautiful. Like, it is one of those places that you have to come to see, like the Coliseum, and you know, like people tell you about it, but once you're here you get to really experience it, and it's a whole another feeling. Like my husband, he had goosebumps when he first saw it as the car drove past it. So it is just like breathtaking, such an experience. Now everything has a downfall, and for the downfall, it is a very dirty city, very dirty. when I say that there is like, when I tell you that there is like garbage in every corner, there's garbage everywhere. The streets are very small, everything is like very small and crowded. If you're not used to it and you're coming from the United States, it's gonna be kind of like a shock, like it was to me. But maybe if you're like from a different place and you're kind of like used to situations like that, then it's not gonna be so bad. I do like to tell you guys like the good and the bad, so that way you're kind of, you come here and you know what to expect. Like I wish someone would have kind of like shown me that. I feel like a lot of vlogs don't show you like the dirty side or like the ugly side of the city, you know. So you kind of just don't expect it, and when you see it you're like, whoa. I am here to share with you guys the good and the bad, not just the good. Like I said, very beautiful. You have to see it, especially if you're into history. It is so worth it to be able to experience it and to be able to see it all. We're actually really excited because we are now going to Paris, which I am so excited about. That's like one of my favorite destinations ever, so I'm excited to get there. We will see you guys in Paris.